Exhibit at Badass Gallery. The exhibit runs from July 1 to 15. Please come and join us for Ma'am Yam Tamayo's solo show, Simply 60, here at Badass Gallery. Thank you so much.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Nandito po ako sa Badass Gallery para po sa solo art exhibit ni Atty. Yam Tamayo. Pasil po kayo rito. Napakaraming magandang things po rito na pili yung pamilya sa abot kayang halaga. Maraming salamat po.
Ibigam kayo sa solo exhibit ni Atty. Yam Tamayo dito sa Badass Art Gallery. Punta po kayo para masaksihan nyo yung mga 60 paintings ni Atty. Yam. Salamat po.
There will be more exhibits to come. Please continue to bless her hands so that she can continue to create her beautiful paintings. Amen. Amen. Okay, for her first solo exhibit. Well, Simply 60. Simply because she just turned 60 last April 3rd. And she wanted to choose 60 of her most favorite paintings to highlight for this exhibit. And that's pretty much it. Unless, is there another reason why? That's it. Okay, I was right. Okay, so, ayun. I would like to call on Tam Urao, the badass artist, co-owner,
Badass artist.
opening remarks.
The Badass Artist.
Hello everybody and welcome to Badass Art Gallery. I'm one of the owners of the Badass Art Gallery and we are very fortunate to have Miss Tamayo to be our one of the solo artists who exhibited here. Maraming salamat Yam, and maraming salamat din sa support ng Artipolo Group. And by the way, Ms. Tamayo is also a member of the Artipolo Group. Kaya ang ganda ng mga painting niya. Galing. And welcome everybody. Okay. And enjoy the paintings. Okay. Thank you.
Si Sir Paul Messina for a few short remarks as well.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. No? So, we're very lucky. Hindi na umulan. No? Kasi kaninang morning, ang lakas ng ulan. No? Sabi ko naman, may opening para si attorney ko. And we are very happy kasi ngayong meron ng Badass, pinagamit sa Artipolo. So, for the whole years, iba-ibang members namin magsusolo. So, nabigyan ng break. Like Atty. Yam, nailabas niya yung mga natatago niyang paintings at nakita na ng buong mga tao at mga guests niya. So, we are very thanks for the Badass Art Gallery and the Atty. Yam, naging successful at narakos din no, sa yung solo. Mahirap yung mag-solo kasi sa first time pa niya, yung preparations, no? Ay, ang bilis, no? Kasi nagsimula na kami nung March na din na nalaman niya, magsushow siya nung June, no? So, May, no? April, May. So, ang bilis, no? So, at least na-sort out niya, na-organize niya, and then, thank you very much. Sana, supportahan natin ang show ni, natin, i-promote natin sa social media and to other friends na mapasyal dito, no? Para makita. Hanggang pa naman ito team. So, marami pang makakita. Salamat po.
Only one of her first of many exhibits to come because she's been compiling and creating since 2017. So not all of these are very recent paintings. Some of these are very recent paintings.
Sanay kasi ako yung may mic eh. Actually, she invited me because she wanted me. I'm also into writing. I'm a poet. Badass poet. And all these years, I didn't expect Yam to be an artist herself. So marami palang tinatago. All the while, I thought she could blossom into a writer, creative writer, dahil ang layo ng distansya ng pagsusulat niya sa pagsusulat ko. So I'm very happy that you invited me to be here to stand in for John Lloyd Cruz. Sorry, John Lloyd Cruz cannot make it. So, ako na lang pinadala niya because he also appreciates art. So, I'm very happy that I'm invited here. At sa susunod kong pelikula sa Viva Max, aking kikitain, ibibili ko ng painting dito. I promise! I promise! Okay lang? Pero mag-stream kayo, mag-download kayo ng mga pelikula ko. Okay? Yun lang. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Mr. Roland Rosacay, a mixed media artist, well known for his signature bountiful.
Congratulations, Attorney Yam. I love you all. That's all.
Next up, I would like to call on Jonas Salvosa, president of Agus Golay. He is also a painter and sculptor. Is he here right now? Sir Jonas. If you would like to say a few words.
Hindi ako marunong na pagkano eh. Pagkaganito. Subo lang ako. Lalakad na ako dyan sa... Tinahatak ako ni kaya walang alam ko lang dito eh. Pero...
Hindi, idol na yan.
Natutuwa ako dahil ang bigat na agad ng painting ni Atty. Ang lalim na agad. Ang ganda ng kulay. Tuwa ako. Parang nabuhay yung araw ko. Yun lang, kasi decorated na.
Sir Jerry Contreras.
Kala mo, kakalusot ka. Sir Vice.
Akala ko may kain lang ako. Anyway, congrats sa Atty. Pero may nakikita namin kung may nagustuhan ako. Ibubulong ko na lang.
Yun!
Sir, pasensya na doon sa mga instant guest of honor. Pinadya ko talaga yun kasi mas mahirap humindi. Pag nilagyan mo na ng day, wala na silang choice but to come here come forward and say a few words. And I really appreciate po yung comment mo ni Sir Jonah and comments ng ibang natutuwa sila. Nagagalak po ako na may kapwa ko artist ay natutuwa sa aking mga obra. And that's a great validation po ng ating talent. Okay. Salamat sa pagdalo ninyo. Thanks so much for your presence in this milestone I call it a milestone dahil as my daughter earlier said, 60, ang original title talaga nito is 60 at 60. And I really dreamt of having my own solo exhibit when I turned 60 last April. Pero hindi nangyari, so sabi ko, siguro hindi ukol, gano'n. And then, Badass came along, and then the rest is history. Kaya I'm so thankful na natuloy yung aking dream. Uso kasi ngayon yung manifestation, di ba? Kita nyo sa reels yung manifest. Ito sasabihin mo, matutupad. Ginawa ko po yun. I set out my dream to the universe and it came true. So dreams do come true. So I'm for that. Okay. I won't bore you with the nitty-gritty of how I got into painting. Meron po akong artist profile dyan. Nandyan po lahat ng kwento. Makikita nyo yung, sino ba yung...
Artistahin nga.
So I just really want to, this is a message of thanks sa mga taong sumuporta sa akin dito sa first solo exhibit. Of course, my family. Danny is my go-to host sa mga exhibit natin. Suki na yan sa mga exhibit ng Artipolo. DP and of course Dennis. Wala po sila ngayon kasi kanina umaga po I missed my daughter's graduation sa UP kasi nga nagkasabay-sabay po today. So anyway, meron pa naman itong bukas. So they've been with me through all my frustrations, my trials in my art journey. So I thank them for their support. Medyo nag-6 na tayo kaya medyo kailangan na natin friends, colleagues, co-workers in the legal profession, like my good friend here, RG Guevara. Talagang ang moniker po talaga niya is Pogi. Kaya pag
Pogi points! Sa papang Pogi points.
Anyway, yung mga friends ko naman sa illegal profession, hindi daw makakarating. Anyway, Sir Paul and my Artipolo family, of course, for all your kindness and your generosity in sharing your talent with me. Malaking bagay ko yun sa pag-grow ko as an artist. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yun. I credit Artipolo for my growth as an artist. Ang dami ko pong natutunan. Napaka-generous po talaga sila sa advice. Hindi po sila madamot. Kaya malaking pasasalamat ko talaga Sir Paul and the rest of my Artipolo family. And of course, the Badass Gallery owners, Sir Tam, Architect AJ, and Sir Dr. Reg for this opportunity. I am really grateful for this opportunity. I hope this won't be the last exhibit that I will be doing in this gallery. Okay, and lastly, my very good friend, Attorney Melanie Arellano, siya po ang instrumental sa pagkuha ko ng messenger ni Sir Paul. Siya yung kinulit ko noon para lang makausap si Sir Paul para maging member ako ng Artipolo. Unfortunately, she passed away last week. I know that she would have been here. But siguro in spirit, I know that she's here. So, Annie, this is for you. Okay, so, I thank you once again. Salamat po. Talaga, I'm very thankful.
Picture muna tayo picture muna. Game. 1, 2, 3, picture muna. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Tapos cut tayo ng ribbon 1, 2, 3, cut. Cut. Okay.